Hello, in this lesson I will show you how to import object layers in AutoCAD Civil 3D. You know that object, table, and label styles can be imported using Import Styles tool. But how about object layers? For now, Civil 3D does not have a built-in tool to do that. So if you are provided with a drawing that does not have any object layers defined or don't have your company's object layers. So you have two options. The first option is to define or redefine the object layers for the drawing, or you can use the workflow in this tutorial. So what happens if you want to keep the current file as is and just define its object layers without too much hassle? In order to do that, firstly, you examine the blank object layers. You right-click on that, and if you examine the object layers of this drawing, you will see that this one, you will see that all the layers are undefined. So you will transfer the object layers from these drawings you see that all the layers are defined. And now you will transfer all of the layers in this file to these drawings. So what you can do is to collapse all these two drawings. So you set your tool space to the settings tab, and you have to make sure that the view is to set to master view, since you will want to have both drawings visible. For example, if you set to active drawing settings view, you see only one drawing, the current active one. So you have to use the master view and collapse all of these. And you have to make sure that the active drawing is set to the one that the current one that you want to transfer the settings, the layers to. You will know it is the active one if it is at the top of the list and its name is bold. This is the one. If it is not active, so you can switch to the prospector tab, for example, like that. This is not the blank object layers is not active, so you can click on Perspective tab and then use the switch to option to make it active, or select it using the File tab. So with the drawing blank object layers active in the tool space, right-click on the defined object layers and select Edit Drawing Settings. And then on the dialog, do not change any settings and just click OK. So if you want to check it now, the result now, you can right-click on the blank object layers and you see all of the defined object layers have already been transferred to the blank object layers.